Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a problem was detected on True Depth camera. Face ID is not audible. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this issue. So guys, today in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, just simply open settings and make sure that you have an active internet connection and then there's not connected any of the VPN. After that, open general, open software update, and then from here you have to just simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS, and after that you have to just simply go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you have to just simply scroll it below and here tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all settings for one time. So guys, after doing this, check if the problem is fixed or not. If still having this problem, then you have to just simply scroll it below, tap on Face ID and passcode, enter your iPhone passcode, and then you have to just simply reset your Face ID from here and enter a new Face ID, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.